In this video, I cover how crypto mining works and will answer the question, when will the mining craze end? If you want to find out more, then keep watching. So hey guys, this is TeamOverclocked. In this video, I talk about cryptocurrencies and how they are mined. To start it off, let me explain how mining works fundamentally. So when a computer mines for a cryptocurrency, they're using their PC power to repeatedly guess for an answer to a block. A block contains information about transactions that have occurred since the last block was generated on the specific blockchain that you're mining on. When a miner is the first one to solve a block, they get rewarded with a small amount of the cryptocurrency. A more powerful PC can make more guesses per second, so it will have a higher chance of finding a block. These blocks are then added to a ledger called a blockchain, which is a permanent record of all transactions. Now each cryptocurrency has a different algorithm which encrypts the transactions differently. On screen I have a table of a few of the algorithms for some of the more popular cryptocurrencies. Because of these different algorithms, different kinds of computers and different kinds of hardware excel at different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, for example, uses the SHA-256 algorithm. Now this algorithm can be executed most efficiently with ASICs, which are powerful computers built for mining specifically cryptocurrencies. These ASICs vastly outperform GPUs and are much more expensive than the average graphics card. Now Ethereum, for example, uses the ETH algorithm. Now this algorithm is designed to resist ASICs and be mineable only with GPUs. The reason for this addition is to keep the currency decentralized. Since you can only mine Ethereum with GPUs, a much larger audience can mine it and mining power will be distributed much more. This measure is done to prevent one group of people from getting control over all the mining power for a specific cryptocurrency like Ethereum. Now Ethereum is not the only cryptocurrency with ASIC resistance. Some other ones include Zcash, Monero, and Vertcoin. The prices of most of these cryptocurrencies have been going up steadily the past year, which is why the mining craze has not settled. Now the question still remains, when will the craze end? Well, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are going to get harder to mine in the long run, which is going to make lower end GPUs unappetizing for mining. By lower end, I mean GPUs like the RX 570 and GTX 1060, which are current mid-rangers, but will become lower end GPUs in the future. Also, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum will increase their DAG size over time. Basically, when the DAG size increases, you need more VRAM to mine Ethereum. So over time, GPUs with less VRAM will not be suitable for mining. Currently, you need about 3 GB of VRAM or more to mine Ethereum, and it's only going to increase from here. So in my opinion, the mining craze is just peaking in my opinion, and over time the amount of GPUs affected by the mining community will decrease. Before I end this, I would like to mention the links to some additional articles are in the description, so check those out if you're interested. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. But yeah guys, that's all for today. If you liked the video, please be sure to hit the like button. If you didn't like it, please dislike this video and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.